Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, sign in with an administrator account and backup system and user databases too. Back files so you can restore if needed. Once done, record instance names, ports, and service accounts. That prevents orphan services. Next, stop SQL Server and SQL Server Agent in Services. MSC or SQL Server Configuration Manager. Make sure dependent apps are shut down. Then open the SQL Server Installation Center to begin the removal process for the targeted instance. In the Installation Center, choose Maintenance, then Remove. Pick the exact instance so you don't delete shared components unintentionally. You'll be walked through removing database engine, replication, full text, and other instance features. Confirm each step because shared features may be offered separately. After instance removal, go to Apps and Features to uninstall SSMS, SQL Server Data Tools, and any client libraries. Make sure to check Services, MSC, to confirm services disappeared, and delete leftover folders under Program Files and Program Data if they're no longer needed. After uninstall, reboot the machine to clear locked handles, then verify no SQL services remain and that port 1433 is free. Remove leftover data and log directories under Program Data and Program Files, but be cautious with registry edits. Only remove SQL keys if you are confident, because mistakes affect the OS. If removal fails or components remain, run msexec/x with the product GUID, or use the Microsoft program Install and Uninstall Trouble.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.